Celebrating diversity in space and technology, some recognition for a unique mission, and a small find that's a pretty big deal. A few of the stories to tell you about this week at NASA. On February 10th, NASA collaborated with the Smithsonian National Museum of African American History and Culture for a Black History Month event highlighting contributions by African Americans to space and technology. The event was aimed at inspiring students to pursue science, technology, engineering, and math, or STEM fields of study. NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART team, has been selected to receive the Space Foundation's 2023 Space Achievement Award. Last year, the DART spacecraft successfully collided with and changed the course of an asteroid during the first-ever planetary defense test mission. An international team of European astronomers has used NASA's James Webb Space Telescope to detect a very small asteroid. The asteroid, about 300 to 650 feet long, is likely the smallest object observed to date by Webb and may be an example of an object less than 0.6 miles long within the main asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. On February 8th, engineers at our Stennis Space Center conducted the first hot fire test of the year with the newly redesigned RS-25 engine. 4 of the engines will help power our Space Launch System rocket on future Artemis missions to the Moon. That's what's up this week at NASA. For more on these and other stories, follow us on the web at nasa.gov/twan.